see this one little spot. And what I can do now is I can go ahead and measure our cabinet from corner to corner, make sure it's square. Now I'm going to take my tape measure from this corner to the inside, okay. And I have to do the same thing on the other side, make sure it's the same exact dimension. Yes. Okay, they both read 37 3/8. So this is how you go ahead and glue up a cabinet for an upper cabinet. Okay, now the key, one of the key parts is making sure that you're prepared for the job before you start. Okay, now on the cabinet you want to look for is any type of squeeze out that may have happened, to wipe that off. You have a couple minutes to take care of that. Also, if you inside of corners or some of those inside corners, if you're having difficulty removing the glue, best thing to do is just wait about 2 or 3 minutes for it to kind of gel up just a little bit. Then you come in with a scraper, use the corner of a cabinet scraper, and just scrape that out just very gently. It'll come right out, and that way you don't have to worry about a mark being left. Remember, glue, as far as PVA glue or yellow glue, it will leave a white mark when you put finish over it. So just in case, let's say we have to respray something, we don't want those nasty white marks left over from glue. So we want to make sure we check all our different joints to make sure we don't have any extra squeeze out on the whole cabinet. You make sure that the parts are flush with one another, so that way it's all on the same plane. Our cabinet backing is in, and as you can see, the CNC bit at the very last pass tore up part of the veneer on the back side, but luckily for us, that's being the back side. The only thing that's ever going to see that is the wall. So not saying that that's acceptable, but just saying it happened, and then we don't have to scrap this piece. What we had to do is just change out the bit and make sure it was sharp again. That's all. So we utilized the whole material as best to our ability, so that way we maximized all the parts on that sheet.